So I had a couple of escapees this morning, and I've taken some action that involves rigging up a line with some nifty hardware at either end. It looks a little saggy when you stand here, but it's not bad actually. And as you can see, the dogs are very excited about their movements being curtailed. Sally, come here. Come on. Come on, dogs. Come on. So there's a pulley system, and they both got quite a bit. They're going to get all tangled, and it's going to be, a thing, but at least they won't be running off out to the road is the whole point. So, $54, a visit to Home Hardware, and 45 minutes later, I need a tool to cut off that little tail there, and so far so good.